Hi guys, it's a lovely day today and I want us to prepare hibiscus flower drink, also known as Sobolo. I welcome you all to join me as I prepare this drink. My name is Derek Kinkum and this is Be a Ghanaian. Let's go for a quick break. We'll be right back. Welcome back. Allow me to walk you through the ingredients to prepare this hibiscus flower drink, also known as Sobolo. So over here I have my hibiscus flower. So I soaked my hibiscus flower overnight to extract the juice very well. The hibiscus flower is my main ingredient for the drink. I have my sweetener. You can also use honey, but I'm using brown sugar for this. I have my ginger. I have grains of Selim and cloves soaked. The reason why I soaked my grains, Selim and cloves is for easier blending. Okay. I have my red pepper chili. I have my red peppercorn, and I have a whole pineapple. Let's begin with our juice preparation. So I'll take my cooking pot and pour my soaked, flowers. Okay. We'll put it on fire on low heat and allow it to simmer for 10 minutes. I boiled the pineapple peels. So I'm straining it. I'm straining the juice. I'll use the juice to blend the main pineapple. Next, I'll put my pineapples So we'll pour our juice into the pineapple in the blender, cover it and blend. So I'm going to strain my blended pineapple . So I'll be able to strain the juice very well. Next, we are going to blend our ginger, dry chili pepper, and red peppercorn. We'll add our grains of Selim and cloves. So I'll add water and blend. Our hibiscus flower has simmered for 10 minutes and we've allowed it cool. So we'll strain our juice. Now I have my hibiscus flower juice. I have my blended spices, my pineapple juice, and my sweetener. So I'm going to mix all the ingredients. I'll first pour my pineapple juice into the hibiscus flower juice. I'll fetch my spices. I'll fetch my blended spices and add to it. Then I'll add my sweetener. And stir. And stir. My juice is ready, so we'll serve it shortly. Go nowhere, stay tuned.
So refreshing and very nice to take.
It tastes good.
Wow, this is a great drink. This Sobolo is very, very, very good. Charlie, I wish I can have more.
That's great.
It tastes great. You can add more sweetener or spices to your taste. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to our channel at Be a Ghanaian. Follow us on all our social media platforms at Be a Ghanaian. Visit our website www.beaghanaian.com. My name is Derek Ingu. Kindly leave a comment below, like and share. Cheers and have a refreshing day.